for G. We're celebrating. We're at Mojitos, and let me tell you, it's amazing. Queens are rocking, the kings are rocking, but most of all, people are having a good time.
Food's good, the environment, and the thing is off the hook. You can tell, D-Nice, D-Nice Entertainment's in the house. But you know how I get down. Anybody know Pretty Ricky? You know what I'm saying?
Groovy, baby. I'm having the best time. It's so much fun. Wish you guys was here.
I'm here at the Mojito Country Club, having a wonderful time.